Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study online effectively. First, find a quiet spot at home where you can focus without interruptions. Next, set up a regular study routine, perhaps dedicating 2 hours each morning. Make sure you have all your books, notes, and a charged device ready before your class begins. This preparation helps you stay organized and ready to learn from the start. To truly grasp the material, engage actively. Don't just passively watch. Take thorough notes, highlighting key concepts and questions. When there are online discussions, contribute thoughtfully and ask clarifying questions. Regularly reviewing your notes and course content, perhaps for 15 minutes each day, helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for assessments. Effective time management is crucial for online learning. Try breaking your study time into smaller, focused blocks, like 45 minutes of study followed by a 10-minute break. This prevents fatigue and keeps your mind fresh. Always prioritize your assignments, tackling those with closer deadlines or higher point values first. This approach ensures you cover everything important. Don't hesitate to seek help when needed. If you're struggling with a concept, email your instructor or attend their virtual office hours. Collaborating with classmates in a small study group can also provide new perspectives and reinforce understanding. Remember, there are many online resources available, like educational videos or practice quizzes, to supplement your learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.